Magandang araw uli, mga panatiko sa NBA cards. Kumusta? So pang 5 araw na natin ngayon sa pagbubukas ng NBA Mystery Pack, no? So may natitira tayong 17, no? 17 packs. So pang-5. So after today may dalawa pa, then yung ano na natin, yung mystery break muna sa isang araw para sa pagbubukas ng ng mga inserts and rares na card. So ngayon, let's do this, no? So mystery pack number 5 on day 5. Okay? So I'll do the honors of getting the number. Okay? And we have mystery pack number 2. Mystery pack number 2. So, sana natin. No? Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. So, meron tayong 3 inserts, no? Okay, may 3 inserts tayo. Card number 1. Okay. Card number 1. Prism card ni Thomas Bryant. Oh. So, makita mo talaga ang difference, no, ng mga latest cards kumpara dun sa mga oldies, no? So, kita mo ang ang pagkagawa na nila, no? This is an kailan ba to? 2022-2023 season, no? 2020 ba? 2020-2021 season. Kasi ano siya 1920 na ano. So 2020-2021 season to na card. So see, iba na ng ano. So Thomas Bryant of the Washington Wizards, no? Next card. Okay. NBA Hoops ni Patrick Beverley. So ito siya is silver, no? Silver card, no? Silver edition. Yung writing niya, makita mo. Yung writing niya silver. So ito yung silver, base silver nila, no, ni Patrick Beverley ng Houston, LA Clippers to. Pero I think ngayon si Patrick Beverley is playing sa Israel ata, no? Sa Israel, no? So wala na siya sa NBA ngayon. Very very tricky defender. Medyo mainit din ang ulo. Pesky defender. Okay? Next card. Next card from Oklahoma Thunder. Kyle Weaver. No, Kyle Weaver of the Oklahoma Thunder. So, hindi ko alam kung naglalaro pa ba to siya. Is a guard for Oklahoma Thunder. No. Another one from Adrenaline Panini. TJ Ford of the Indiana Pacers. Magaling to na point guard. Nagka-problema lang to sa injury, no? Nagka-injury to siya, pero ang galing nito na point guard. I think kung hindi ako nagkakamali, parang nag-abot pa ata to sila sa finals, no? during his time. Nagka-injury lang talaga. Another card. No? Another card. Okay. Si Darrell Kurt Rambis. No? Kita mo, ano siya? Anniversary card ata to, no, ng Sky ng yes, anniversary card ng Skybox. Tama ba? Yes, anniversary card ng Skybox. So Lakers, no, Lakers. LA Lakers. So it's just an insert card na ano. Makita natin ang difference mamaya. LA Lakers, si George Lynch. Skybox din to. Pero, kita mo ang difference, ha? Kita ko sa inyo. Ito yung base, no? Base card lang talaga to, no? Kita mo? Base card lang. Ito yung insert, no? See? See the difference? Pareho to. Parehong owner, no? Skybox. Pero ito yung base set, no? Base card. Well, ito, yung anniversary card niya. Kita mo yung difference, no? Ito. So, yan yung sinasabi kong, mga inserts. So, pag magandang player, magaling na player, superstar player, mas malaki yung, rating ng card, mas malaki yung value ng card. College card. Oklahoma Sooners, Taj Gray. College card ni Taj Gray. Okay? Ito naman, upper deck. No? An upper deck card. Okay? Ng Hornets. Charlotte Hornets. No? Si David Wingate. No? Base card to ng upper deck. Minsan naman, may makukuha kang base card ng upper deck, tapos yung insert nun may nakalagay na collector's choice. Okay, yun yung mga difference nun. Ito yung mga not so new na mga cards. Mga 90s cards, 2000 below cards, year 2000 and below, between 1990 to 2000. Yun yung mga yun yung mga difference nila. So naman, again, Skybox, from Golden State, no? Golden State Warriors. No? Si Jeff Grayer. No? Jeff Grayer. So kita mo ang difference ng card niya, di ba? Ito naman is a card ng 1993. Okay? So 1993 na card. So kita mo yung hindi siya masyadong elaborated. Flair. No, a Flair card of 1994-1995 ni si Miami Heat, Brad Locos. Oh. So, see, 1993-95, 93-94 na card. Pag ikumpara mo rin ito sa 93, no? Na kaninang pinakita ko, just see the difference, no? Pag nakita mo to in person, mas makapal tong Flair, mas makapal to siya kumpara sa Skybox. So, pag tiningnan mo rin, in terms of costing, mas mahal tong Flair kumpara sa Skybox. Kumparahin lang natin yung base card nila. No? This is a base card ng Flair and a base card ng Skybox. So, mas mahal tong Flair. Magkapareho lang to ng halos magkapareho lang ng season. And this is 93, this is 94-95 season. Magkapareho lang, no? Pero ito na yung considered dati na expensive cards. Okay? Then Another old card from Skybox. I think Skybox 1990 card, no? Harold Presley. So yun, no? Kita mo talaga yung pagkagawa niya. So makita mo yun during those years, sa time na to, ito yung ito pa yung parang nila, yung estilo ng paggawa ng cards. And mapapansin mo yan over the time, gumaganda yung cards, nagiging mas elaborate, mas colorful, and nagkakaroon na ng maraming modification. So punta na tayo sa tatlong inserts. Okay, sa tatlong inserts. Okay. It's a rookie card, no? Rookie card, Philadelphia 76ers, Charles Bassey. So yan, ito yung nakalagay dyan, rookie sensation, no? Tama ba? Rated rookie, no, of Donruss, no? Rated rookie of Donruss card. So ito naman siya is 2021-2022 card. No, Donruss, no. Yung Donruss bago na yan bago na yan ng mga cards, no, bagong na yan. Wala yan dati, walang Donruss 2000 below card, even 2010 below cards wala. I think Donruss started mga 2015 above, no. Donruss of Panini. So dati walang Panini. Dati ang sikat Upper Deck, Skybox, Flair, Topps. Ngayon, ang sikat ngayon is Panini. No? Panini, kalimitan, meron pa ring Topps, meron pang Hoops, no? And I think meron pang Skybox, pero ang nawala ata is ang Upper Deck. I don't know. I haven't seen any. Okay? Next card. Okay? Ito, numbered card to, Threads, no? Numbered 199. So this is a 167 of 199 Threads ni Michael Kidd Gilchrist, no? So ito number card to, 134. 167, no? Sorry, 167 of 199. Okay. Number card, Threads. So ito may value to. Kumpara dun sa base set, mas by value yan. Mas mahal kung ano. And I think magandang panimula nito. Kung hindi ko lang nasubaybayan kung nagka-injury ba to siya, si Michael Kidd Gilchrist. I think he started also in, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, he started Bobcats, no? Yes, he started sa Bobcats before 13-14 season, no? 13-14 seasons. And our last card, NBA Hoops. Ito, kilala nyo to. Nakikita nyo pa to. Retired na to. Ano kung Hall of Famer siya, pero it's a retired player, championship player, no? From the Houston Rockets before to nag-champion. Si Kenny Smith. Kenny Smith. Di ba nyo, na to? Newscaster na to ng TNT, no? Newscaster ng TNT with Shaquille, with Charles Barkley, with Eddie Johnson ata, no? So ito yung card niya, si Kenny Smith. He's a shooting guard of he plays for a shooting guard. He plays as a shooting guard. He's a deadly on a 3. And he also, I think, entered on a slam dunk contest. Natalo lang, pero he's a champion guy. He's a champion guy. No? So it's an old card, 1989 card. See? 1989 card. So that's it, no? We have this pack. We have how many? I think 15. Hold on. I'll check. Okay. No, 14. 14 cards. Still the same as yesterday. 14 cards. So, that's it. That's it for our mystery pack number 5. Share your comments and suggestions below, ha? Kung you have anything to comment, just share it. And please don't forget to like and share. So that's it for our mystery pack number 5. Ciao everyone. Have a nice day. Let Nick out.